Hello audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 61. So I will discuss vocabulary, and these vocabulary will help you in all competitive examinations. So the first one is intimidation. The meaning of intimidation is uh, dhamki dena. So to make someone afraid. Next one, ostensibly. So apparently or seemingly. Next one, rants. So to complain in a way that is unreasonable. Next one, invectives. So creative or imaginative. Mutasir kun. Next one, legitimacy. Kanuni हैसियत. So lawful or legality. Next one, conviction. So the act or process of finding a person guilty of a crime, especially in a court of law. Next one, withering. So very harsh, severe, or damaging. Next one, partisan. So one exhibiting blind, prejudiced, and unreasoning allegiance to a party or to a group. Next one, vindictive. So revengeful or vengeful. इंतकामी या इंतकाम लेना. Next one, uh, insinuatingly. So इशारा करना, hint, imply, intimate, suggest. Next one, resilient, lachakdar. It's having two concept or two meaning. Uh, flexible, elastic, stretchy, or springly. Another meaning of resilient, so able to become strong, healthy, or successful again after something bad happens. So Pakistan is a resilient nation. Next one, mantra, commonly repeated words or praise. Next one, allegiance, so loyalty to a person, a country, or a group. Bayat lena. Next one, financial action task force, FATF, and the main function of FATF is countering of terror financing and money laundering. Next one, FATF, basically intergovernmental organization, and as I discussed, its main function is the combating of money laundering, which is a common issue, especially in third world countries, because the resources of poor countries are draining to developed or rich countries. Just like we can say in Hudaybiyah papers, or in Panama leaks or Dubai leaks. And the other function of FATF is to prevent terror financing or non-state actors, just like ISIS, BLA, TTP, and many more rogue non-state actors. Next one, introspection. So Khud Nagri, self questioning, soul searching, or self examination. Next one, semblance. So, form, actual, or apparent resemblance. Next one, convenient. So, accessible, handy, reachable, asan. Next one, beleaguered, so to cause constant or repeated trouble for someone or something. Next one, woes, so problems or troubles. Next one, appraisal, so assessment, estimate, estimation, evaluation, jaisa lena. So the meaning of appraisal is assessment. Uh, Next one, Munich Security Conference Forum, which is based in Germany, and its main function to formulate uh, and to legislate about international security, and to discuss challenges to international peace and challenges to the world peace, like that. Next one, reckon. So form a general idea about something, or to guess, estimate, suppose, judge, calculate. Next one, amending. So the meaning of amending is to give out. And the last one is paradigm. So its meaning is example or pattern. So it's all for today. If you people have any questions, so ask freely. Stick to down times. Thank you and good luck.